All right, so today we're going to show you how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11. So right now we are in the Windows update portion. We are in the Windows 11. I've already updated mine. But what you want to do if you're on Windows 10 is click on the Start button and then just type on the search bar Windows Update. And as you can see here, it's the same thing with Windows 10. Just click on Update and you're going to be here. And you're going to have if you haven't updated and you have had Windows 10 for a while, you will be privy to a free update. So if you want to update your Windows 10 to Windows 11, for most Windows users and owners, you're going to have an option to do so. That's what I did. And you just need to click on, I'm going to post a screenshot of a Windows 10 update option. You're just going to click update to Windows 11. It's very straightforward. You don't need to do anything. Windows will do everything for you, and it's not going to take a long time. It might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, but after that, your whole UI, everything will be on Windows 11. And once you update to Windows 11, once you have Windows 11 on your PC, all you need to do is click on check for updates, because you will need to update a lot of new drivers that's specifically for Windows 11. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.